wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best bonsai tree kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Brussels Bonsai is a dwarf jade option that's about 3 years old and between 8 and 10 inches tall. It comes in a 7-inch glazed dual pocket container with a miniature fisherman and reflective pool on one side for added decoration. It's budget friendly and sprouts pink flowers. However, it may arrive with moisture gnats. At number 9, the Planter's Choice Premium comes packed in a wooden gift box and features 4 varieties, along with the necessary soil pellets and planting containers. This option also includes a complete toolkit of scissors, brush, rake, tweezers, shears, and a storage case. You get a 101 essential tips book as well, along with detailed bamboo markers. But the broom may be hard to use. Coming in at number 8 on our list, Garden Republic's indoor starter set includes Brazilian rosewood, Japanese black pine, and bristlecone pine, along with several other kinds to get you started. Sturdy bamboo markers make it easy to identify each species as it grows. You get 8 miniature varieties in total, all in a wooden gift box. However, note that germination is not guaranteed. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bonsai tree kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the JM Bamboo Starter gets you off on the right foot with a live 4-year-old Japanese juniper that's ready to plant in the lovely ceramic container. You also receive potting mix, pebbles and stones, along with a decorative figurine to complete your bonsai's home. It includes training wire for guided growth and a drainage hole cover, but you don't get any tools. Moving up our list to number 6. The Plant Theatre Trio includes 6 peat discs that expand to 7 times their size when you water them, giving you lots of potting mix to plant the 3 trees in the provided containers. Nurture a red maple, a mountain pine, and a silver birch from the comfort of your home. This set's been laboratory tested and features propagator bags for stratification. It arrives sealed in foil packets. Halfway up our list at number 5. The sower source differs from other comparable sets as it comes with 5 variations to get you started. You can grow a maple, an elm, a juniper, a yew, and a bodhi. The biodegradable pots provide your seeds with the ideal environment. No stratification is needed, and you get an e-book of instructions along with 10 dirt pellets. At number 4, if you want an established tree, Eve's Garden Inc. offers this 6-year-old kit. It's planted in a ceramic pot and the specimen is about 10 inches tall with a 7-inch spread. This juniper thrives in indirect sunlight and can handle temperatures below freezing. It includes landscaping pebbles and specially mixed potting soil. It weighs just over 5 pounds. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the 9 greenbox juniper is one of the easiest species to care for, and upon arrival it's already 6 to 8 inches tall. This beginner's option flourishes with soil that's slightly dry at all times, but never left completely dry for too long. It's hardy enough for outdoors and there are no seeds to germinate. It includes decorative rocks. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bonsai tree kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, whether you're a beginner or an old pro, the Garden Republic is ideal for all levels of experience and includes burlap bags and a planter box that gives you a safe place to keep your pots. You get 4 non-GMO seeds and plant identification markers, plus shears too. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Planter's Choice contains everything you need to grow 4 different trees. The included organic seeds are Rocky Mountain bristlecone pine, Norway spruce, black pui, and flame tree. Each arrives in a secure vial to help with germination. It features biodegradable growing pots, expanding soil discs, and an instruction booklet. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bonsai tree kits, or simply click beneath this video.